The Columbian mammoth got over here like 1.7 million years ago.
Oh, so pretty early on.
And nobody knows quite when the Jeffersonian mammoth came along. And woolly mammoths came over more like between 100,000 years ago and 60,000 years ago.
Okay.
And they came across the Bering Strait and came in and then spread across sort of the northern tier. Let's just say we have woolly mammoths and we have Columbian mammoths, and there are some Columbians that just look more like woolies. Let's not call them a separate species. Well, I looked at this 15 years ago or something, and I actually saw in this local variety, it was called the Columbian mammoth, I saw traits that really were very like woolly mammoth traits, and others that were very like Columbian traits. And I saw things that were in between. And on a given individual, I would see certain traits that were in between A and B, other traits that were almost totally A, still other traits that were almost totally B. Suggested to me, it's a mosaic pattern, in other words, suggested to me that there was actually some hybridization going on. But for several years, it was only a suggestion, only based on these funny mosaic patterns of comparative morphology.
Right.
And then ancient DNA got to the point where we could routinely extract DNA from these specimens and analyze it. Sure enough, they're hybrids.
Okay.
They're just plain hybrids. These things that used to be called Jeffersonii, or even used to just be called Columbi, but that look like woolly mammoths, really in part are woolly mammoths, they're hybrids. And this is one of these hybrids.